Hi everybody! We're going to do another What's in the Fridge challenge, and I'm going to check what I have left for this week. It's Friday today, so that I can finish all of them again to avoid food waste. Alrighty? Update you later. Yes, so I found some basic tom yum ingredients in my fridge, and we're gonna make a vegan version of the tom yum. I'm just going to use mushrooms and some pressed tofu, so I won't use any meat. This will be our meat, mushroom and tofu. Very good, very neutral flavors. And then what I have is we have kaffir lime leaves. I have lime, and we have coriander, and then this one is coriander root, guys. I think I mentioned in my past videos that you don't throw away coriander root. This is the where you find the most flavor of the coriander. So I'm going to chop them later on, and I've already chopped the long stem of the what do you call this, a lemongrass, and also trim off a little bit of the ends, and then I will pound this for the flavor. And this is a galangal. It's a family of ginger. It's really nice, really smells nice. And I'll have the little shallots, the onions, tomato, and I'm gonna use 3 types of chilies. This one, the not so spicy but still yummy, and we have the Thai chilies here, green and red. This is going to be hot and spicy soup, and a little bit sour because of the lime. This will be my sour agent, and there will be a twist in this because I saw my gochujang, or the hot pepper paste. This is Korean. They use this a lot in their ingredients, in kimchi, in their soup. So let's see how this turns out. So Thai plus a little bit of Korean today? Why not? Let's experiment. Let me just finish prepare all of these, and we're gonna start cooking, okay? Alright, I'm ready to cook our dish. So again, we are going to cook tom yum soup, and a little bit of twist on it. We will put, instead of Thai red chili paste, because I don't have that, and usually I cook my tom yum the clear version, but because I just bought a hot pepper paste, or gochujang. It's a chili paste, a Korean chili paste that is used for kimchi, their soups, a lot of Korean dishes. So let's see how this turns out. So basic tom yum and a little bit of Korean twist. For this, I'm going to use a little bit of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon only. Alright, I think it's already hot enough. Usually, tom yum, they make all their ingredients into a paste. For me, I wanted it not to be in a paste form. I pounded them, so I want them to be still chunky. And even the chili, I don't want them to be in paste. I will just place them right here. So it's going to be a very mild, spicy flavor. So I pounded together the shallots, the galangal, and the coriander roots. Now let's put the lemongrass. Maybe I'll take this out after, but I will leave for decoration. Oh, I forgot to mention, in this, when I pounded these spices, I also included kaffir lime leaves, which I just sliced. And then, let's put our tomatoes. This is going to be very quick cook. It's just adding and adding and adding. They use fish sauce, so I won't be using fish sauce to flavor. I will just use my Himalayan sauce. Possibilities are endless in cooking. I place the big chili. I'll leave some for serving later. And then I'll put a little lime at this time, just to flavor the spices. I'll get some salt. Not too much because I don't know yet how the gochujang how the gochujang tastes at the moment while it's on its own, and I'm sure there's some sort of salt there too. So I'll just put a little. If you can only smell it, it's really good. Okay, I'm gonna put water on it. So that's like two, not cups, but because I use the mug, as you can see, two of these. Then let's bring it to a boil. When it already boils, it's time to place our mushroom, our pressed tofu, and then we'll place right now I'm going to place the gochujang. Okay, I tasted this a little. There's already salt in here, so just put a little. This will make the soup a little reddish and flavorful too. I don't know who else have done this. Tom yum with gochujang, the red hot pepper chili paste of Korea. It's already reddish. Okay, let's cover this and let's wait for it to simmer. Then we will place our mushroom and tofu. Okay everyone, as you can see, our soup is boiling. It has turned reddish because of the gochujang. It's time to place our mushroom. I'm using shiitake this time. And then we'll place our tofu too. I slice them into cubes. And just be gentle because you know tofu needs a little care so that it doesn't break. Okay, and then we leave this in around maybe 2 to 3 minutes to boil again, and then we're ready to serve. Here you go, guys. This is our tom yum soup with a little bit of twist because I placed gochujang. So that's Thai plus Korean flavors in there. It's so good. It turned out really, really good. And I like it more sour, so I'm gonna place more lime on top. This is how you serve it. And to give the guests an option, you can put more lime on here, and then they can place them. Enjoy!